this machine never ever ceases to blow my mind with what it does. And when you think, I've had it for 6 months, over 6 months, and I would have thought that I kind of know a lot about what it does. But yesterday I made something which absolutely, I had no idea that you could do it. Here we are for Thermomix Thursday, and I'm not cooking a recipe. I am talking about how to use the Varoma to maximize space and time, and if you're wanting to do more layered cooking. And I'm talking about the extra bowl offer, which is on, and why 2 bowls is absolutely gold. My name is Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living. And so last night I was in the garden, I was planting my veggie garden, and it was about 5 o'clock. Didn't have any idea what we were having for dinner. And then I have got an abundance of lettuce in the garden. So I thought, I'll make a Caesar salad. Normally, and in my mind I went, I've got to make the dressing, I've got to do all the different bits. And I thought, I haven't got hard-boiled eggs. And then I thought, I wonder if I can do it in Thermomix. Sure enough, looked on Cookadoo app, Caesar salad with pasta. I thought, I haven't got time. It's like now it's 5:30 and 55 minutes. And I was like, holy moly. So what I did was I cooked my pasta. Sorry, first of all, I made the Caesar dressing. And it's just so easy because it's just all done in the bowl. And because I was time poor, I whipped my my second bowl out. So I just left the dressing in there, whipped my second bowl out, and cooked my pasta. Right. So I put my water in here and put my pasta in here. But then I was like, it said to put my hard-boiled eggs in my fresh eggs in the Varoma. And I thought, I had no idea you could cook the eggs in a Varoma. I actually had to relook at the recipe and go, are they meant to be hard-boiled and am I just warming them? Sure enough, it said, put your hard-boiled eggs, 6, in here, right? And then it said to cook my chicken tenderloins on the top. So I then layered my chicken tenderloins on the top and turned on the machine, and all at once I was cooking my pasta in the bowl, I was soft boiling my eggs in the Varoma and cooking my chicken on the top. And that just blew my mind, and I could then, I actually did some croutons and I got Ollie to cook the bacon on the barbecue. So that was a meal that was done in literally less than about 45 minutes. And it was amazing. So I'm always learning. The other time, and yesterday again, I had friends over for lunch. We cooked, so in our steaming basket, I cooked the kumara slices in here. So they sit in there. That's how you cook rice. That's how you can cook quinoa. You can steam fish, potatoes. But I had kumara in there. And then on the top, in the Varoma, we steamed some chicken because we were making a red pesto chicken salad. We'd already made the pesto dressing or sauce that was stirred through the raw chicken, so it had that flavour when it was cooking, and then we tossed it through the whole salad at the end. It was amazing, amazing. So if you are if people say, I'm just not sure if I'll use it enough, I can promise you, if you join my group of customers who are all using their Thermomixes and sharing, because I've got them all in a group, everyone's sharing what they're making. So I can promise you, you will be getting so much out of your machine. It is worth every single penny. On until the end of the month. So what are we today? We've got another 7 days. An extra bowl, which is absolutely gold. Normally $429, it's only $29. And so this is such a bonus. If you are last night, for example, made the dressing, didn't have time, just quickly whipped out another bowl. Or if you are bulk cooking and you can have 2 bowls, batch cooking, you can have 2 bowls going at once. So then you're really maximizing your time and, really producing a lot of food. If you have got allergies in the house, really good to keep one gluten or dairy free. If you are just, always time poor, or if you just literally can't be bothered washing. And there are just so many reasons why an extra bowl. Let me look at my list of things of what we had. It's also awesome if you're hosting a dinner party and you have one for your meal and one for your cocktails. It makes incredible cocktails. Yeah, if you have wet ingredients and then you need another bowl to have separate dry ingredients, that's really beneficial. You will 100% use your machine even more. Allows for bulk cooking. It's like an additional pair of hands in the kitchen. Like, so many great reasons. The black is still available. We are in final low numbers. We're kind of waiting, hoping that Australia is not going to steal our stock, but we have been told that once they sell out, they will come and nip ours. So the black is available just until stocks last. And as I say, the extra bowl is on for only $29 until the end of the month. So look, if you've got any questions, I am hosting a cooking class in Mount Wellington on Sunday. If you want to come along, I'll put the link to in the comments box below. It's festive fix with a healthy twist. So my passion is teaching or just inspiring my customers to be using their Thermomix to make healthier choices and to make healthy eating more achievable. And that's really what I am all about, because the Thermomix is the tool that makes that easier. So the workshop is Festive Fix Made Healthy. It's on Sunday in Mount Wellington at our head office at 2 p.m. till 4. So I'll put the link in the comments box below. Tickets are only $35. Come on your own or come with a friend, and we're making 8 different dishes, and it's very slick and you get to try everything, and it's a really great way to see the Thermomix in action. All right, thanks so much for joining me, and sing out if you've got any questions. Otherwise, I'd love to see you at our workshop. Okay, see ya.